Hello, today I'd like to talk to you about linking Google Drive documents into your resources on Schoology. So here I am in Drive. I have a template here that I'd like to link back into Schoology. I'm going to go ahead and single click it, grab the link, I'll copy that link and move over to Schoology where I have an assignment set up. I've placed some dummy text here, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight that to insert a link using the link tool in the top toolbar. I'm going to go ahead and paste in my link. And in this particular example, I want each learner to have their own copy of this document. In the case that you do want that to happen, I would encourage you to typically use the Google Drive Assignments app that's in every assignment. But let's just say you have a case where you feel you need to link it here instead of using the Drive assignment. I want them to create a copy, so I will take everything from the word edit over to the right and delete that in the link. The reason I'm deleting it is because I would like to put the word copy in its place. And when I do that, I can switch over to the learner view where the learner will see the link, click it, and they'll be prompted to make a copy of your template. So by removing edit to the right, you can see the word copy there in the URL. It forces them to make a copy. They'll have their own and they can edit it. They'll click make a copy. They'll make any edits, such as changing the title to place their name. And once they've done that, they'll be able to either submit that into the assignment like this. They'll go ahead and submit. The way that I would encourage you to do that is going to the Resources app, the Apps section, the Google Drive Resource app, and then they will simply check off the template that they need, import, and import file. This step is important, and it's the one that we're giving to learners on how to submit Drive documents as well in the family resource tutorial, because here I get an actual file that's embedded into the Schoology viewer that I can mark up and give feedback on. It's also important that the learner turns in that file and not a link, because it gives me a snapshot of what the learner has done at the time of submission. This is no longer a live link back to the Google Doc where edits can be made. This is a basically Word doc that's been submitted into this submission. So now I have a snapshot of the work that was turned in at the time of submission. So this is how you can use the Make a Copy link to embed a file inside of your Google Drive assignments, discussions, pages, and so on, as well as the way that learners should be turning in their Google Drive work when not using the Google Drive assignments. As always, I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and thanks for watching.